will get all other elements which are giving more than or equal to 5. So A intersection is A is A. The outputs will be in the form 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and both the dice like that still 6, 6. Common. Intersection means what? Common elements for B and C. C means sum when you add should be less than or equal to 5 is what given. Because A every element starts with even, B every element starts with odd, there is no common element, mutually exclusive. A and B or C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. It is also true. 2, 4, 6 starting numbers you remove, 18 outputs you remove. Other than 18 you will have out of 36 if I remove 18. Welcome to the session, dear students. We'll go ahead with the problems of exercise 16.2, that is probability. Two dice are thrown. The events A, B, C are as follows. A getting an even number on the first die, B getting an odd number on the first die, C getting sum of numbers less than or equal to 5. And they want you to describe 8 different units. We can do it. So first we'll say what is the sample space for this. What is the sample space for this? It starts with 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 like that, so on. Then 2, 1, 2, 3, 6, 6 it ends. Total when you roll 2 dice, 1 die output is 6. 2 dice if you roll 6 square, 36 outputs are there. The outputs will be in the form 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and both the dice like that still 6, 6. Now, event A, getting an even number on the first die. So first let me write event A. Getting an even number on first die means first die should be 2. With 2 you can get second die anything. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. This is event A. And even number means first die may be 2 or it may be 4 also. So 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Or you may get first day as 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So 6 3s are 18 outputs you will get. What are the first die should be even number. First die may be 2, 4 or 6. Along with that second die may be any of the 6. So for 2 we'll get 6 output, with 4 we'll get 6 output, with 6 we'll get 6 output, total 18 outputs. That is event A getting even number on the first day. Event B. What is event B? Event B is getting number, an odd number on the first day. Getting an odd number on the first day means first day may be 1 or first day may be 3 or first day may be 5. These are the odd numbers on the die. So second die may be 1, with 1 we may get 2. There is no restriction. So or you may get 1, 3 or you may get 1, 4 or you may get 1, 5 or you may get 1, 6. Similarly, first number is odd number, it may be 3. 3 is an odd number. 3 with 1 or 3 with 2 you may get, or 3 with 3 you may get, or 3 with 4, or you may get 3 with 5 and 3 with 6. Or if you get 5, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6. So again 18 possible outputs. Now what is event C? Event C is what? Getting number less than or getting the sum. When you add the pair of numbers what you obtained after rolling 2 dice, the sum should be less than or equal to 5. So event C, sum should be less than or equal to 5 means I can take 1 1, I can take 1 2, I can take 1 3, even I can take 1 4. 1 4 becomes equal to 5, so stop it. With 2 I can take only 2 1, 2 2. With 3 I can take 3 1, I can take, that's it. With 4 I can't take anything because 4 1 becomes 5. So only limited outputs. So these are the outputs of what is called as C. So we wrote all the describe the events, we describe the events A, B, C. Now A dash they want. Dear students, A dash means what? Sample space minus A. In sample space remove A. A means what? 2, 4, 6 starting numbers you remove, 18 outputs you remove, other than 18 you have, out of 36 if I remove 18, still I have what is called as another set, that is the remaining 18 outputs are there. What are the 18 outputs? So yeah, so I'll get the remaining outputs 1, 2, 1, 3. So these three. So therefore, what is the conclusion? The conclusion, along with that, I'll get, so we have total 36 outputs, but here we have 18 outputs. If I remove 18 outputs, I'll get another 18 outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So another 18 outputs, and exactly I'll get this. I'll get 1, 1, 1, 2, till what? Same as 5, 6. Means our output will be same as this. So your A dash will be equal to B. Then they want not B. Not B, dear students, not B means what? B dash. B dash means what? S minus B. In sample space, if you remove B means what? First number should be odd number. That if you remove, you'll get first number even number, you will get A. So output will be definitely this A. Means what? 2, 1, 2, 2, till what? 6, 6. 5, 6. B dash is not B. Not B means what? In sample space, remove the B. B means what? 1, 1, 1, 2. First number starting with odd number. You should remove all those things. Then you'll get first number starting with even number with all the outputs. That's it. Then they want A or B. A or B. What is meant by A or B, dear students? That is A union B. A union B means what? This is first number. A means that is 2, 1 till 2, 6. Then 4, 1, 4, 2 till what? 4, 6. All 18 outputs. 6, 1, 6, 2 till 6, 6. With this, I should combine first number starting with odd. 1, 1, 1, 2 till what? 1, 6. Then 3, 1 till 3, 6. Whatever I have written in the end. So 5, 1 till 5, 6. So already we wrote this. I'm not repeating. So this is A, this is B. If you combine, you'll get the complete sample space. 18 and 18 outputs are there. So you'll get sample space. Sample space means what? You'll get all the outputs. 1, 1, 1, 2 till you'll also have 6, 1 till 6, 6. All the outputs. So it is same as sample space. A union B. Combine A and B, you'll get sample space. Then they want A and B. What is meant by A and B? A intersection B. A intersection B means what? Common elements of A and B. See, do we have any common elements? Do we have any common elements? A is what? Starting with 2, 4, 6. B is starting with 1, 3, 5. So, no pair is common. In both the sets, we don't have any common element. You can search. A is made up of what? First one even number, remaining all the numbers. So, B is made up of first one odd number. So, we don't have common elements. So, therefore, A intersection B will get null set psi. And then they want you to find A but not C. A but not C. A but not C means what? In A, remove C. In A, remove C. So, go back to A. What is your A? This C means what? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. So, I have to remove 2, 2. A I should take. C elements I should remove. See here only one element is starting with even number. So 2, 1 is also there. Remove 2, 1. So you will be having 2, 2, 2, 6, 6. So 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 in A. 2, 6 also you can take. 2, 1, 2, 2 will remove. That's it. Then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. In A, remove 3, A but not C you will get. Then B or C. B or C. What is meant by B or C? Combine B with C. What is B? First number should be odd number. 1, 3, 5. And second 1. All the combination. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. B is 3 1, same 3 2, 3 3, set theory 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6. Similarly 5 1, B means first number should be odd number, second one may be anything, they have not given restriction. 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, and then we have union C. What is C? Sum should be less than or equal to 5. So 2 1, 2 2, then with the 3 only 3 1, that's it, 2 1 2 2, that's it. C is, we have defined C in the beginning. So 1 1 1 2 1 3 also, sorry, 1 1, the sum 1 2 1 3. So now if you combine these two, 1 1 1 2 1 3 and 2 1 is not there, 2 1 you should include in this, and 3 1 you should, 3 1 is present, 3 1 is there, this 3 are present, only missing number is what? I should include 2 1 2 2. So after you combine, you will get same as B. So write all the elements. So I am repeating, you combine these two are correct, you combine. After you combine, you will be getting extra elements in this is 2 2 and 2 1, 2 1, 2 1 comma 2 2. With B you combine C and write the elements, that's it. Then B and C means B intersection C. Common elements means, so in this and C means what? B means number starting with what are the C elements? 1 1, C, sum should be less than or equal to 5, 1 2 1 3, then 2 1 2 2 3 1, this is C. So set C. Set B is what? Set B first element should be odd number, so this 2 will not be there. So first element odd number means this 3. So B intersection C, you will get 1 1 1 2 1 3 3 1. So this is common. Intersection means what? Common elements for B and C. C means sum when you add should be less than or equal to 5 is what given, and from that we can conclude. Then they want A intersection B dash intersection C dash. You should combine all three elements. So A and so you know A is what? Set of all even number, first number even number. B dash means what? B dash is same as A. B dash is same as A. And C dash is same as C minus A. C minus A, this is the smallest set. C minus S, sorry. S remove C. So you will get all other elements which are giving more than or equal to 5. So A intersection is A. So let me reduce using A intersection C minus S if you do enough. So what is A? Number starting from even number. Till 6 6. What is C? In C you should remove, sorry, S minus C. In S you remove C. So dash S minus C. In S if you remove C, you will get C dash. Sum greater than or equal to what? 5. So it contains 1 4. Then all the elements other than 3 2 3 2 4. Then with 3 2 so on till 6 6. Now if I combine these two common elements for A, every element is starting with 2 even number. Only starting with even number means I can reject this, 3 I can reject, and common elements present will be in A and C. See, these elements are not there. So therefore it starts with 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, then 4 1, you will have 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, then 5 1, sorry 5 will not have, 6 1, 6 2, 6 1, 6 2, it is a continuation, 6 2 till what? 6 6. All the elements you'll have. I hope all of you got this. Now, next question. Refer to the last question. A and B are mutually exclusive. Yes, it is true. Because A, every element starts with even. B, every element starts with odd. There is no common element, mutually exclusive. A and B or C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. It is also true. Why? Because when you combine, if you combine, you will get sample space. If you do A union B, you will get sample space. That's why it is true. And they are exclusive because no common element. And A is equal to B dash, they told. Yes, it is true. And A and C are mutually exclusive. A and C. A and C, we have common elements. So, false. And A and B dash are mutually exclusive. B dash is A, so it is false. B dash value is same as A. A dash, B dash, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So, A dash and B dash, but no, this is false. Why? Because we have common elements with C. So, this is in brief about today's class. So, same thing I have displayed, so you can do it. So, first write the set A, B, C, A dash, B dash, C dash, A union B, B union C, and then conclude. So, I hope all of you understood this. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.